Imagine a world where glaciers swallowed continents and oceans froze at the edges. This wasn't fiction. It was Earth's reality during the Ice Ages. Over the last 2.5 million years, our planet cycled through repeated ice ages. Massive ice sheets stretched across North America, Europe, and Asia. These glaciers carved valleys and shaped the world we see today. Life was forced to adapt or perish. Mammoths, saber-toothed cats, and giant sloths roamed the land. For early humans, survival meant enduring unimaginable challenges. But why did these ice ages happen? The answer lies in Earth's orbit, tilt, and subtle wobbles. These changes altered how much solar energy reached the planet. As energy shifted, so too did global climate patterns. Eventually, warmth returned, and the last ice age ended 12,000 years ago. The melting released floods that reshaped rivers and coastlines. Human civilizations flourished in the warmer climate that followed. The Ice Age shaped not just land, but also human destiny. Scientists warn today's changes are far faster than natural cycles. Greenhouse gases are now Earth's new thermostat. Could another Ice Age return? Possibly, but not for tens of thousands of years. For now, the challenge is global warming and its impacts. Ancient ice sheets still linger in Greenland and Antarctica, reminders of that frozen era. These vast frozen reserves hold enough water to raise sea levels by dozens of meters. During the Ice Age, sea levels were over 100 meters lower than today. Land bridges connected continents, allowing species to migrate. One such bridge connected Asia and North America, the Bering Land Bridge. This migration shaped the history of human settlement in the Americas. Glaciers also sculpted the landscapes we recognize today. The Great Lakes in North America were carved by retreating ice sheets. As ice retreated, fertile soils were left behind. These fertile lands became cradles of agriculture and civilizations. The Ice Age was both a destroyer and a creator. Without the Ice Ages, our world might look very different today. The patterns of climate shifts are written in ice cores. Each layer of ice preserves tiny bubbles of ancient air. These bubbles tell us the story of Earth's atmosphere across millennia. The evidence is clear. Climate has always changed, but never this fast. In just 200 years, humans have altered Earth's balance dramatically. The Ice Ages remind us, climate shapes destiny. Humanity now holds the power to shape the next chapter. From the frozen past to the uncertain future, the story of ice is also the story of us. Scientists trace past ice ages using geology, fossils, and computer models. These records reveal cycles driven by Earth's orbit and tilt. When the orbit favors cooler summers, ice sheets can grow. When it favors warmer summers, ice sheets retreat. These natural rhythms unfolded over tens of thousands of years. But human-driven change is unfolding in mere centuries. We are living outside the natural rhythm of Earth. The Ice Ages remind us stability is fragile. Even small changes in climate reshaped continents and civilizations. Imagine the scale of change now, in just 2 centuries. From the frozen mammoths to modern megacities, climate is destiny. Ice preserves the memory of past worlds. In Siberia, mammoths and ancient forests lie entombed in permafrost. Melting permafrost releases these remnants and hidden carbon. This release could amplify modern warming. The Ice Ages ended slowly, over thousands of years. Today's warming unfolds in decades, not millennia. The frozen past offers both a warning and a lesson. Humanity is now the driver of the climate story. Whether we face another ice age or prevent one depends on us. During the last ice age, humans adapted to extreme cold. They crafted tools, hunted mammoths, and built shelters. These struggles shaped cultures and survival skills. Civilization rose after the ice retreated. The Holocene, the warm era we live in, made cities possible. But this stability is an exception, not the rule. The frozen past reminds us how fragile progress is. In myths, the cold ages shaped legends of floods and frozen worlds. These stories preserved ancient memories of climate chaos. Science now deciphers those myths with data. Ice cores drilled from Antarctica reveal hidden timelines. Tiny bubbles inside record ancient atmospheres. Each layer is a page in Earth's frozen diary. These records prove carbon dioxide and temperature rise together. Today, CO2 levels are far higher than in any ice age. The ice ages ended, but the frozen record remains. Humanity is the first species to read and alter this record. The story of ice is also the story of resilience. Life endured through freezing darkness and emerged stronger. A frozen past warns us. The future is still unwritten. The Ice Age carved valleys and shaped mountains we see today. Rivers flowing now were once mighty glaciers. Great lakes in North America are legacies of retreating ice. The frozen past lives on in landscapes around us. Animals, too, carry marks of the Ice Age. Some species vanished. Others adapted. Humans became storytellers of this frozen world. These stories shaped myth, memory, and identity. Today, science lets us see further than myths. Satellites now track the shrinking ice sheets. The data is clear. Ice is melting faster than ever. The frozen past warns about the warming future. What once took millennia now unfolds in decades. The lessons of the Ice Age belong to everyone. Cultures across the world echo frozen memories. The Inuit, the Norse, and ancient farmers all left clues. The frozen world is not distant history. It's within us. Every glacier, every frozen fossil is a message. The message says, change is inevitable. Survival requires wisdom. Will we heed the warnings etched in ice? The frozen story is vast, but our choices write its ending. Scientists continue to uncover secrets in frozen archives. DNA of ancient creatures is revived from permafrost. This knowledge connects past life to future possibilities. The frozen world is both a museum and a laboratory. Each discovery expands the story of resilience. Humanity's survival is tied to understanding this cycle. We are not outside the cycle. We are part of it. The Ice Ages remind us that nothing is permanent, but also that change brings new beginnings. The frozen past shaped the world we inherited. The choices we make shape the future we leave behind. We stand at a turning point, like our ancestors once did. The frozen past whispers, learn, adapt, endure. Our story is still being written, page by frozen page. The frozen earth is not just history, it is destiny. Humanity must decide whether that destiny is survival. The frozen past is a mirror for our future. From ice to fire, the story continues. A frozen past tells us the future is still in our hands.